What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Icon True Wireless earbuds. I had these a while back. They were great. The only downfall was the battery kind of wasn't that great. It would like last about 30 minutes to almost an hour. The headphones that I had before, they lasted about, an hour and 30 minutes or so. But these are kind of updated. They did improve the bass. They did listen to feedback. I gave Icon Prime Audio feedback like, hey, maybe you should, give a little bit more bass. So I did notice on if you look at the old packages, the sensitivity, the decibels, it used to be 98. Now it's 109. The drivers are still the same, and the impedance is 32 ohms. The frequency is from 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. So this is great. And of course, you have 1 year limited warranty, rechargeable, Bluetooth V3, noise isolating. I don't know about that, but it all depends where. Maybe it's when I think of noise isolating, the outside doesn't come in. Don't think of it as noise canceling, because that cancels noise. This is noise isolating, so don't get confused. We do get 3 ear pad tips and of course a charging case. And of course, I also had an issue with the case not charging properly. Hopefully they upgraded USB-C, because we're about to find out. I know they gave us like a what do you call it? It was like a mini. It was one of those Android ones, that the classic they used to use. So upon the case, we get, it's rubber. It comes in this rubber piece now. Oh, there's a charging cord. And did they switch? Yes, they did. They switched to USB-C. I'm glad they did the switch, because of the laws that are taking in effect now. Awesome. That's great. I like that it comes with instruction manual. We didn't get this last time. If you look at some of my videos, we did not get this huge instruction manual. Basically, yeah. Product diagram, charging port. I'm happy they made a USB-C switch. It's really going to help them rather than using like a standard thing. And here you go. We have the rubber ear tips. And I guess they didn't want to worry about the box. Oh, nice. So I see that this is here. And oh wow, it is rubberized. Nice. So these almost look like the AirPods. They literally look like the AirPods. If AirPods were like, and this kind of, wow, it has that snap. Did they really make these like the AirPods? Wow. All I know is that it's not wireless charging. It doesn't fit it, but I guess people really like that little snapping thing. When I had mine, yeah, it wouldn't do that. It would just close. So I guess they got the patent for that. Maybe Apple stopped making these specific AirPods, so they have the patent to do that. And yeah, these are actually smaller. So once again, USB-C, great, convenient. That's awesome. So here we go. And yeah, let's go ahead and try it out. So I'm going to connect here. Man, I actually like this. It's pretty good. So the biggest improvement it has is like this finish, which they weren't kidding. It does have like a, what do you call it? Yeah, improved bass. Where is it? Oh, I just read it right now. It had like a finish to it, whatever. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I actually like this. I could actually use this for like, memory cards, USBs. But the fact that it comes that, and of course these come sealed, which, we know that we're getting good stuff rather than whatever. So yeah, let's go ahead and connect them. We connect them, we pair them like this. Let me see what happens if I hold the back. We know that they're charging, but I don't think this does anything unless we look in the instruction manual. I'm just curious. Okay, so we got the charging port, the light indicator, and the back is just for show then. Yeah, because there's really no... Oh, it even has the function buttons. Oh, wait, no way. I'm going to check that out. So we can actually put the volume up and down. If these are like the BC and BC. Never seen it. Overall, it looks cool. They're actually sitting. I mean, I don't know. They're charging. They did get rid of the light though. It used to have like a light. I don't think it does anymore. But we're gonna go ahead and charge a little more. Let me see if I can pick it up. But yeah, it looks like it's charging. And let me check if it's actually picking it up. Overall, it looks great. I like the texture of it too. It has like that. It has like a grip feeling, which is good because it'll sit. Oh, I'm picking them up. P42B. All right, let's put one on. Am I picking it up? So I guess it's this one right here. Like, it looks like it. Not sure. Connected. I guess I am. So I think it is. Not sure. Maybe not. No, it's not. I don't know. Oh, wrong one. I guess it's something else. So I'm gonna disconnect from that because I don't know what that is. Yeah, it's probably something else. Forget this device. Yeah, I don't know what that is. So I guess we're gonna let it charge for a bit. Let's see. Yeah, but overall, it's supposed to have more bass, so that's what's good about this. That it has a particular, and I'm glad they made this update. Overall, I guess a lot of people wanted this because the other icon that I used to have before had like it wouldn't sit right and it wouldn't charge. It wouldn't charge the headphones properly, so I'd have to like squeeze it and make sure. But now that this has a MagSafe, it feels more premium for the value. So yeah, I guess it's gonna take a while to charge because yeah, I'm not getting anything, and I guess this button is just for show. I guess doesn't really do anything. Doesn't show the what it's supposed to be doing. But either way, I will follow up with you guys to let you know how it goes and how the quality is on these. But just for the look of it, just by looking at it and seeing this, man, that would be sick if we actually had AirPods like this. That would look awesome. Like AirPod Pros 3rd generation, this would look sick. And I know a lot of people are getting to that, like, why doesn't Apple release... Oh, I see the light. Is it connecting? It's not going through. I saw something that was connecting or something like that. Either way, I'm gonna keep them in there so they can charge. But honestly, guys, AirPods Pros 3s, they'll look sick, or at least gray metal. That's what I think Apple should do if they release them. I know that they're using white as a premium status because it's pure, it's white, but honestly, they should release in like metal or space black, and it would look more premium finish, and it's just a signature. All right, guys, so I will follow up with you in the comments below. Once again, these are Icon True Wireless Earbuds. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions. And like I said, I will follow you up in the comments to let you know how it sounds and there's a difference in bass and if these are worth buying over AirPod Pros. I'll see you next time.